All right, now that we have our connections here, what we want to do, or collections, what we want to do is, again, they just like a string, these collections have methods, and we're gonna interact with them in the same way. Like whatever a variable or collection is, dot, whatever the method is with parentheses. So for example, lists, one of the things that we can do is stick another value on the end. We saw how to replace overwrite a value before, but if we wanted to pop another value onto the end, like Odin, then we used the simple list dot, here's the function, and here's what we want to append to the list. Okay, and then we have a list with Odin popped on the end here. Instead of, if I didn't want to append it to the end, if I had a place where I wanted to insert it, for example, if instead of 2 at index 1, I wanted to insert Sebastian, this will pop Sebastian in there, and we'll have at the end of it a simple list where 2 has been scooted over 1. All right, so those are some list methods. But again, when you put dot, you'll see all of those options. See append, insert, count, remove. There's a few of these list methods. Same thing with dictionaries. Dictionaries have methods. This was a dictionary of dogs. We can look at the items. That gives me back tuples of keys and values. But we can also look at the individual, if you want just the keys, that's a method, and values, that's a method. So, here are our keys, here are our values. All right, so again, the big idea is that there are collections. Some of them are ordered, some of them are unordered. All of them have methods, but depending on what kind of a collection it is, you'll have different methods, and you'll have different ways of extracting objects from those collections.